Mission Archery has completely overhauled its lineup for 2019 and unveiled 4 brand new bows, the MXR, Switch, HAMMR, and Radik. The flagship of the Mission Archery lineup is the all-new MXR. What makes this bow especially interesting to us is that it's built around the same CrossCentric Cam technology as the Mathews flagship bows, but retails for less than half the price. It also features a redesigned, thinner grip. Specs include an axle-to-axle length of 30 inches, brace height of 7 inches, IBO-rated speed of 324 feet per second, mass weight of 4.02 pounds, draw lengths of 23.5 to 29.5 inches, and adjustable draw weights of 40 to 70 pounds. The Mission MXR carries a retail price of $499 and is available in black or Realtree Original. Also new for 2019 is the Mission Switch, which Mission claims is the most versatile bow in its lineup. The Switch features a completely redesigned cam system with fast fit technology that allows the bow to fit draw lengths ranging from 18 to 30 inches and draw weights from 11 to 70 pounds. It also shares the same new grip as the MXR. Specs include an axle-to-axle length of 31 inches, brace height of 6 7/8 inches, IBO-rated speed of 305 feet per second, and mass weight of just 3.84 pounds. MSRP on the Switch is $399, and it's available in black or Realtree Original. Built for growing archers, the new Mission HAMMR features the same fast-fit technology as the Switch, boasting draw length adjustability of 17 to 29 inches and draw weights of 16 to 70 pounds. It features a string stop to help dampen post-shot noise and vibration, and the same new grip found on the Switch and MXR. Specs include an axle-to-axle length of 28 inches, brace height of 6 1/4 inches, speeds up to 300 feet per second, and mass weight of 3.4 pounds. This bow will retail for $299 and is available in black, Realtree Original, green splash, orange splash, pink splash, and purple splash. The final addition to the Mission lineup is the new Radek, which is aimed at young archers who will appreciate its ultralight 3.04 pound mass weight. Specs include an axle-to-axle length of 28 inches, brace height of 6 1/8 inches, draw lengths adjustable between 17 and 28 inches, and draw weights adjustable from 10 to 50 pounds. Retail price on the Radek is $289, and it's available in black, Realtree Original, green splash, orange splash, pink splash, and purple splash.